Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a poll on Messenger group chat. So first of all, open up your Messenger application. On your application, you have to select the group chat in which you want to create a poll. So for example, I will be using this one. So now on the group chat, first of all, what you have to do is that click on the plus icon that is present right besides the camera icon. Now select the option that says poll. So first of all, you have to enter the question that is the main heading of your poll. So for example, as I am only doing a video, I will write question. Now you have to enter all of the options that are available in your poll. So I will just type two options. You can add as much as you want. Once you're done with all of your options, you have to click on create poll and you will be able to easily create the poll in your group chat. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.